Hello friends, today we will focus on omission of articles. Omission means to skip out or not to use or avoid using dash or it is article. So when we are going to avoid using articles in our language, the first point, when a noun is used in general sense, for example, a man, it means someone man, the man, a particular man. But if we don't use any article before the word, it includes all men. Example, man is mortal. Means here man means all the human being. All the men, they have to die one day. So man is mortal. Second, material nouns used in general sense. For example, water is the source of all life. Material noun, water. We will not use any article here. Second, gold is a precious metal. So again we have material noun and it is used in general sense. But mind is well. But when we particularize that particular noun, it takes the article. For example, the water of Ganga is exceptionally white in color. If you particularize it, if you say about any particular noun, then it takes the article. Then only we have to use. If not, with material nouns, there is no articles. Our third point is that we will not use any article before plural nouns to indicate a class. Poets are seldom impersonal. Poets are seldom impersonal. Children are usually naughty. So poets and children, these two nouns indicate a class. Here I mean all the poets, and in second sentence, children means all the children are naughty. So whenever a noun suggests a class, it doesn't come with any article. Number 4. Languages and branches of knowledge. For example, English, Hindi, mathematics, history. These are the languages and branches. So we will not use any article. For example, Marathi is my mother tongue. So I will not say the Marathi is my mother tongue. So no article before languages. Next, days, months and seasons. May is the hottest month in India. Sunday is a holiday. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? In these 3 examples, May, Sunday, winter and spring. These are, months, day and seasons. So we should not use any article there. Last one, the 6th. Name of the games. I play football. Chess is a game which requires great skill. Football, chess, name of the game. So we will not use any article there. So no article. Like this, we have other names: rugby, cricket, baseball, and so on. So keep in mind these rules. Our next point is before a title used in opposition to a proper noun. In opposition means side by side, next to each other, or it is indicated or it is said about the one and the same person. For example, Henry, King of England. No article here. Queen Elizabeth II. No article. King George V or Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. So we don't need to use any article there. These are the examples that are in opposition. 8th number, prepositional phrases. In prepositional phrases, we don't use any article. For example, on foot, at sea, on land, out of door, at arm's length. So we don't need to use any article here. 9th, name of countries. India, France, Italy, Nepal, Bhutan. We don't use any article there. But the Soviet Union, the Netherlands, the USA, the United States, we have to use there because the country that constitutes such kind of islands, then only we have to use article there. Or they are the country which has a part of such islands, and it constitutes so many islands, then only we will use article there. So friends, do practice it. It is quite easy to use. We will meet with new interesting topics. Till then, goodbye.